Most people find it challenging to navigate the 1688 app because of the fact that they do not understand the prices in Yuan or RMB, which is Chinese currency. So in today's video, I'll show us how to change and see the product price in your preferred currency. Okay, it could be in Nigerian Naira, Ghana cedis, Kenyan shillings, whichever of the currency you'll see in your preferred currency. Now let's dive in. My name is Blessing, and on this channel, we talk about importation in depth, money making, and personal development. Okay, so we're going to proceed straight to 1688. We'll click on it, click on 1688. See your 1688 opens, you go down and click on your me icon. Okay, you click on your me icon, that's this very icon here. You click on it. Okay, once it opens up very well, you click on your setting. This is your setting up here. You click on your settings. Okay, let's click on it. So once it opens, take note, all of these on your own phone might be in Chinese, but just take note of this line here. You see this line here? Take note of this very line here. It is from this very line that you will see reference currency. Okay, I have changed mine, that's why it's now showing currency there. You will change it to reference currency, right? You click on reference currency rather on this very line. This is where you will see it. You will see reference currency. So you click on it. But take note, it's not going to be in Chinese unless you have translated it. So it will be in Chinese. Just click. Just know that from this line here, anything upwards from this line here is what you're going to click on. So it will show reference currency. You click on it. Okay. Now just like mine is already in, I've already selected Nigeria, as you can see. As you can see here, this is it. I've already selected it. Okay. Now you go back. You come and click on language, which is the very next one after currency. As you can see, it's in English. Okay, I've already clicked on it. It's in English. You go back and click on country/region. Okay, as you can see, I've already clicked on it too. It's in global. It's in global, right? So that's what you're going to do. So once you do all of this, everything will change to your preferred currency. Now let's go back to the 1688. You see that everything is already in Naira. You can see this is a, let me show you. Okay, this bag now is 37.67 yuan, right? Now this is the amount in Naira. Sin is blocking it. You can see the amount in Naira. 8,142 Naira 96 kobo. Okay, that is the amount in Naira for this particular bag. Right, now look at this one too. You scroll up, look at another one. Okay, now look at this beautiful dress. Okay, it's 48 yuan, but in Naira it is 10,375 Naira 95 kobo, right? So that is it, that's the equivalent. So with this now, it's very easy for you to be able to buy on CCS, for you to know how much a particular product is, instead of you to start cracking your brain. But nonetheless, I'm still going to do a video on how to, on this 48 yuan now, you will know how to, break it down. How much is 48 yuan in, how do you get to this 10,375 Naira? So we're going to do a proper video showing you how to get to this particular amount that you're seeing here, this 10,375 Naira 95 kobo. We're going to do the math so you understand properly how to pay your suppliers. Now take note, this particular amount you're seeing here is not the exact amount you're going to pay when you're about making these payments, okay? Because one, we have what we call local shipping, okay? Now when you make payment for this particular product here, when you make payment for this particular product on the 1688 app, Now, your Chinese supplier that you made payment to will need to take this your products or this your item to your shipping agent, to your shipping warehouse there in China. Now, from his own Chinese, where his own Chinese warehouse is, to where your shipping agent is, it's going to take transport. That is the meaning of that's the expense that is going to make. It's going to make another expense transporting your item from his own end to your own shipping agent there in China. So he's going to add that cost to this very 10,375 naira 95 kobo. So this is not the exact payment you're going to make. So you take note of that. Okay. Now the shipping fee, the logistics, that is the local shipping over there, might be from 5 yuan, 10 yuan, whatever it is. So they will add it to this 10,000 something. You add it. So when they add it, that is what you're going to pay. When you click on your checkout, you'll see the total amount you are going to pay. They would have added the local shipping, which is the amount you pay for the extra amount you pay to your supplier, that is the Chinese supplier, to transport your goods to your shipping agents in China there. Because it is that your shipping agent that will now consolidate all the things you bought from different Chinese suppliers in China. You consolidate all your goods, and then wrap it properly and now send it to you in your home country. Okay, so take note of that. So now we have achieved how to change or how to see our product price, which is in Yuan, Chinese currency, into our preferred currency, either Nigerian Naira, Ghana cedis, or Kenyan shillings, or whatever preferred currency you would want. Just follow the process I showed, and you'll be able to get to your preferred currency. Okay, so there you have it. So look out for our next video. Thank you so very much. So you please subscribe to the channel and like the channel so that other people can also watch and learn. Okay, make your comments, say what you do not understand. I will be there to reply.